Olympus LT-1 35mm film camera. This is like the Olympus MJU1 camera. Nice condition for its age. The leather casing is a little bit worn, as you can see. The lens optics in beautiful condition. Camera is fully working and has been tested with film, shown by the film display. This is a quartz date, also working. If I can get into the mode button, because it is quite small, as you can see. Timer is the red light on the front of the camera. This has been placed on ebay.co.uk. As you will notice, I have a lot of other videos with cameras that I've placed on eBay. Please look for my username, which is JAKEJIM. If you like what you see, please head over to ebay.co.uk. Thank you for watching.